Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. I'm glad that you're here. Today you're going to get two recipes. They're crock pot, they're easy and simple, and it doesn't take long to film them, so I'm going to put two different recipes in this one video. So I hope you enjoy it. The first thing that I'm going to do is it's bacon and bean stew is what we call it. It's a recipe from my cousin in Kentucky, Jennifer, and it's so easy. You just dump everything in and let it cook. And you can add carrots in the beginning if they're raw carrots, but I don't use the raw ones because I can't seem to ever get them cooked all the way through. So I use a can at the end of the cooking process, and you'll see that. And the other crock pot recipe is going to be cilantro lime chicken. And you can use this on anything. Sometimes we put it on nachos, sometimes we make tacos, sometimes we make burritos, and you just top it with whatever you like on your tacos, nachos, or burritos. And it's really, really simple. You throw it in the crock pot. When you're ready to eat, it's ready to eat. So let's get started on these two crock pot dinners for tonight. And here are our ingredients. Bean with bacon soup, it's condensed. We're going to use 2 to 4 cans of that depending on how many you're going to feed. Sliced carrots, these are already cooked, so I'll add them at the end. And some potatoes that I'm going to dice up and throw in there. And Conecuh sausage, use your favorite sausage, this is mine. And cut that into bite-sized pieces also. So basically you're just going to throw it all here into the crock pot. And then, except for the carrots, unless you use fresh, then slice them pretty thin and add them in the beginning. But we're going to add everything to the crock pot, and I'm going to add about 1.5 cans of water. Those potatoes are going to absorb a lot of this water while they cook. So you'll want to add a little bit of water in there also. This is how I serve it up, with some cornbread on the side, and there you go. Now some cilantro lime chicken. This is also simple and easy. You throw it in the crock pot and it is ready in about 4 to 6 hours depending on how much chicken that you're going to cook. Now we're just going to start throwing it all together. I'm adding salt, pepper, and granulated garlic, a pack of taco seasoning. Sprinkle that right in there. And 2 handfuls of cilantro. I don't chop this because there's a lot of flavor in that stem, and I want all the flavor I can get out of it. And once it cooks down, then you'll never know hardly that it's in there. And I'm going to juice 2 limes, and then I'm going to add some salsa to the top of that, and the ingredients will be listed below or in the description box. So no worries, you'll have it written down. But anyway, we'll just cook that on low for about 4 to 6 hours until that chicken is done, and we will be ready to eat. did want to say that sometimes I do chop up a jalapeno and add to it. But here is my plate. I made a soft taco with the chicken and some Spanish rice with lime on the side. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you give these a try. They're simple and easy. And if you do, tag me in a picture of what you made so I could see what it looks like. And if you made any changes, let me know. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, and I hope you hit that follow button if you haven't already so you don't miss any recipes. I upload once a week. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.